Welcome to Verona, Italy, a city steeped in history, romance, and breathtaking beauty. Marvel at the ancient Arena di Verona, an iconic Roman amphitheater that stands as a testament to the city's rich cultural heritage. Stroll through Piazza delle Erbe, the vibrant heart of Verona, where history meets the hustle and bustle of modern life. Visit Juliet's balcony, a symbol of love and romance, immortalized by Shakespeare's timeless tale. Glide over the serene Adige River and the ancient Ponte Pietra, a bridge that connects Verona's storied past with its present. Explore Castelvecchio, a medieval fortress offering a glimpse into Verona's fascinating history. As the sun sets over Verona, the city transforms into a magical landscape of lights and shadows. Verona, Italy, a city where history and romance come alive. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more incredible travel videos.